Good morning, students. I hope all of you complete the worksheet. Shall I see the answer for the worksheet last class? Okay. First one, fill in the blanks. The author speaks about the river. What is the river name? Ganges. What is the river name? Ganges. The author's brother name is Dash. What is the author brother name? Jyotirindra. The dash glimmered over the smooth following stream. Moonlight. Moonlight. The beauty of the Bengal and the Ganges served as a dash and a drink to the author. Food. Food and drink to the author. Tagore sang old dash songs set to his own tune. What song? Vaishnava. Vaishnava songs set to his own tune. Next Roman, choose the correct synonyms. Even our halls of mental Sisita have been narrowed down. Okay, Sisita means correct answer for this afternoon snack. Again, those infallible days and night languid with joy. Languid correct meaning answer moving slowly. Now we are going to see means men and women in festive grab were going and coming. Answer grab clothes. Attuned to the plaintive babbling of the river. Okay, plaintive. Answer is sounding sad. Choose the correct antonyms. The moonlight glimmered over the smooth flowing stream. Smooth, rough. The mental system have been narrowed down to the lowest limit. Answer narrowed, wider. Many dedicated lotus bloom floating down the scarred stream. Floating, sinking. Next one, answer the following. Now we are going to see the answer the following. Where was Jyotirindra's villa? Okay, answer Jyotirindra's villa was at Chandranagar. How was the Bengal sky? The Bengal sky was full of light. Where was Jyotirindra's villa? Jyotirindra villa was at Chandranagar. How was the Bengal sky? The Bengal sky was full of light. Okay, now we are going to see poem. Unit 1, poem. A Think of Beauty. Written by John Keats. It's a memory poem. You have to memorize all the lines. Okay. The John Keats was born in 1795, died in 1821. British romantic poet. Okay, John Keats is a British romantic poet. He trained first as a surgeon. Okay, he is a doctor, but he is not interested in doctor line. So he selected the poetic lines. Okay, he want to write the poets. The things of beauty, expert Endymion. Okay, the things of beauty poem is taken from the Endymion poem. Okay, the poetic romance. Okay, the poem based on Greek legend Endymion. The poet lived on Mount Latmos. Okay, Cynthia is the moon goddess. Okay, shall I read the poet about the poets? John Keats, 1795-1821, was a British romantic poet. Although trained to be a surgeon, Keats desired to devote himself wholly to poetry. Okay, he is a surgeon, but Keats desired to holds to poetry. Keats' secret, his power to sway and delight the readers, lies primarily in his gift for preserving the world and living his mode and aspiration in the theme of language. A Think of Beauty is an expert from his poem Endymion, a poetic romance. The poem is based on the Greek legend in which Endymion, the beautiful young shepherd and the poet who lived on Mount Latmos, has a vision of Cynthia, the moon goddess. Okay, the author and the young shepherd, okay, they lived on Mount Latmos. The vision of Cynthia, okay, the moon goddess, okay. The entire youth revolves to seek her out and so wandered away through the forest and down under the sea. They searching the moon god, where the moon god is gone, okay. They search forest, okay, tree, under the river also they are searching the moon goddess. Okay, now we are going to see the memory poem. Now, shall I read the memory poem? A Think of Beauty. Okay, in this poem, the author is saying the nature. Okay, all the things and all beautiful. Okay, the things of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increase, it will never. That pass into nothingness, but will keep the bower quit for us and slave, full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breath. Therefore, on every morrow are we breathing, a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Some shape of beauty moves always the pearl from our dot spread, such as sun, the moon, trees old and young, spouting a shady moon. For simple sheep, such are daffodils with the green world they live in and clear rays, that for themselves a cooling convert make. Gain the hot season, the mid-forest break, rich with a sprinkling of fair musk, rose bloom, and endless fountain of emotional drink. Pouring on unto us for the heaven brink. Written by John Keats. A Think of Beauty, John Keats, a Think of Beauty is a joy forever. The loneliness increase, it will never pass into nothingness. Pass into nothingness means, okay, the author saying here, never fade away. Okay, the beautiness will never fade away, but will keep the bower quiet for us and sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quite break. Therefore, on every marrow are we breathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth. The things of beauty is a joy forever. The poet says beauty is the happiness forever. If you see the flower, you look beautiful. If you see the nature, it looks beautiful. Okay, these and all will give the happiness. Okay, happiness forever. Its loveliness increase. Okay, it will increase only, okay, not decrease, okay, it will always increase. It will never pass into nothingness, means never fade away, okay, but will keep the bower quiet for us and a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breath. Bower, shelter under the shades of trees. Okay, when you're seeing the trees, we can see all the creatures can sleep there. Okay, we also, human being also sleep under the tree. Okay, you can get sweet dreams. Okay, we can enjoy happily under the tree. Okay, health, good health we can get. Okay, then you quiet breath. Okay, you can get fresh air also. You can sit under the tree, we can get fresh air. Therefore, on every marrow or we breathing a flowering band to bind us to the earth. Okay, tomorrow, following days, okay, the flowers are bind us to the earth. Okay. This is the memory poem. Listen carefully. The things of beauty is a joy forever. Its loneliness increase. It will never pass into nothingness, but will keep the bower quit for us and a slave full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breath. Therefore, on every marrow are we breathing. A flowering band to bind us to the earth. Bower, shelter under the shades of trees. Breathing, covering. Marrow, following days. Okay, shall I recall the first 8 lines? The things of beauty is a joy forever. Okay, the poet says beauty is give the happiness forever. Its loveliness increase. Okay, it always increase only, not decrease. It will never pass into nothingness. It's never fade away. Okay, but will keep the bower quiet for us. Bower here refers pleasant shady place under the trees, and all creatures can sleep. Okay, they can take rest. Okay, we can get good health and quiet breath. Therefore, on every morrow are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Okay, the following days, okay, the flowers are band to bind us to the earth. Okay, they give, it's an imaginary line. The poet visualized flowers band to the earth. Okay, some shape of beauty moves away the pearl. From our dark spreads such as the sun, the moon, the trees old and young spouting a shady bowl. For simple sheep and such are daffodils with the green world they live in and clear rills that for themselves a cooling cupboard make. Gain the hot season, the mid-forest break, rich with a sprinkling of far musk, rose bloom, the endless fountain of immortal drinking, pure pouring unto us from the heavens brink. Okay, some shape of beauty moves away the pearl. Okay. The poetess says the beauty which is created by God to remove sadness from our heart. Okay, we can, if you feel lonely, means if you see the nature, okay, your mind will become joy. Okay, like this the author is saying. Okay, such the sun, the moon, the trees old and young. Okay, spouting a shady boon. Okay, these and all blessing for our, okay, blessing for the God. These and all created by the God. Okay, For simple sheep such are daffodils, with the green world they live in and the clear rills. Okay. Daffodils is the flower. Okay. Beautiful flower with the green world. Okay. All the green world we can see. Daffodils they live in and the clear rills. Rills means clear stream. Okay. Clear stream that for themselves a cooling convert makes gain the hot season. Okay. Clear stream means river. Okay. Clear river we can get cool breeze. Okay. But in the hot season the great hot will come. The mid forest break the rich with the sprinkling of fair musk rose bloom. Okay. The poetess, the mid forest beautiful rose with a nice fragrance smell. You can see rose, if you smell means you get nice fragrance smell. Okay, these things are gifted from the God. Okay, the sun, the moon, the trees, okay, and the daffodils, flowers, okay, these and all created by the God only. Okay. These are the beauty which are immortal that gives us the reason to live. On this earth, so many sorrows in our life. So many sorrows are in your life means you can see the nature, you can feel happily. Okay, this is these and all created by the God gift. Okay. Shall I read the poem once again? A thick of beauty is a joy forever, its loveliness increase, it will never pass into nothingness, but will keep the bower quiet for us and asleep, full of sweetness, sweet dreams and health and quiet breath. Therefore, on every marrow are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Some shape of beauty moves always the pearl for a dog's break, such the sun, the moon, the trees old and young spouting a shady boom. For simple sheep, such are daffodils with the green world they live in and a clear rill, therefore themselves a cooling coverts make gain the hot season. The mid forest breaks rich with the sparkling of fair musk, rose bloom and endless fountain of immortal drink pouring onto us from the heavens brink. Okay, here we can see the rhyming words. Moon, boon, make, break, drink, brink. There is one more line in the last line. Drink, brink. Okay. Forever, never, keep, sleep, breathe, resting. Okay. Breathing. Okay. These and all rhyming words. Shall I see once again rhyming words? Forever, never, keep, sleep, breathing, moon, boon, make, drink, bring. These and all rhyming words. The things of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increase, it will never pass into nothingness, but will keep the bower quiet for us and sleep. These four and all rhyming scheme. Okay, A, B, B. Okay, if they ask to write the rhyming scheme for first four lines means A, B, B is the rhyming scheme. Next we see the alliteration. Okay, in the figures of speech they will ask the alliteration. Okay, alliteration means the repetition of the same consonants letter. Okay, at the beginning word in the set or series of the word. Okay, in the English letter there are 26 letters. Okay, 5 are vowels. Remaining consonants letter is the alliteration. Okay, alliteration. See the sentence. For simple sheep and such are daffodils. If they give this line, you have to find the alliteration means yes, simple, sheep, yes, such. These and all alliteration. Okay. Once again I read the memory poem. A things of beauty is a joy forever. It loneliness increase, it will never. Passion into nothingness but will keep. The bower quiet for us and a sleep. A full of sweetness and health and a quiet breath. Therefore on every marrow are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Some shape of beauty moves away the pearl. For from our dark spreads such the sun, the moon, the trees old and the young spouting the shadow boon. For simply shape and such are daffodils with the green world they live in, and clearly rills that from themselves a cooling cowards make gain the hot season. The mid forest break rich with the sprinkling of the fair mass, rose bloom, the endless fountain of immortal drinking, pouring unto us from the heaven's brink. The poem written by John Keats. Okay, in the memory poem, we see the rhyming words. These and all rhyming words in this lesson. Forever, never, keep, sleep, breathing, breathing, moon, boon, make, rake, drink, bring. Okay, these and all rhyming words. If they ask the rhyming words, means you have to write it. These and all rhyming words. Okay, next alliteration. Alliteration means, alliteration is the repetition of the same consonants letter. Okay, in English there are 26 letters. Okay, 5 are vowels. We have to know A, E, I, O, U. These and all vowels. Remaining 21 consonants letter and all. Okay, alliteration. Okay, consonants letter or similar sound at the beginning word in the set or series of words. See, simple, sheep, such. These and all alliteration. See, you have to mention it. Simple, yes. Sheep, yes. Such, yes. These and all alliteration. You have to mention it. Okay. That for themselves a cooling covers make. That. T. See. These are not alliteration. Okay. In this lesson, John Keats says these and all natures. Okay. Created by author. Okay. The sun, the moon, shady trees, daffodils flower, streams of water. Okay. These and all created by God. Okay. Shall I recall once again the memory poem? This is the memory poem. You have to write it, lesson, name, and how many lines they are asking. After finishing this, you have to compulsory write the author name. Okay. If they didn't write the author name, means they will reduce the mark. Okay. So you have to write the author name. A think of beauty. A think of beauty is a joy forever. Okay. It loneliness increase, it will never. Passion into nothingness but will keep. The bower quiet for us and sleep. Full of sweetness, sweet dreams and health and quiet breath. Okay. In these lines, what the author is saying, the poet says that beauty stays forever. Okay. Beauty will come always. Okay. It's loneliness increase. Okay. Always you can see the nature means you can, okay, love only. Okay. We cannot decrease. Okay. It's always increase only. It will never. Passion fade away. Okay. Passion into nothingness means never fade away. We cannot realize these and all. Okay. But will keep the bower quiet for us and sleep for your sweet dreams. Okay. The bower means if you stay near under the tree, you can get fresh air. All the animals are sitting under the tree. Okay. These and all the author is saying. Okay. Fresh air you can sleep, good health and a peaceful life in the earth. Therefore, on every marrow or writhing, a flowery band to bind us to the earth. Okay, this is the imaginary line. Okay, the earth is comparing to the flower. Okay, the flower band to bind us to the earth. Some shape of beauty move away the pearl from our dark spirit. Okay, the beauty which is created by God. Okay, help us to remove sadness from our heart. Okay, if you see very lonely, means if you see the natures, your mind will be changed. If you get good health. Okay, these and all the author is saying, such as the sun, the moon, the trees old and young, spouting the shady bone. Okay, these and all beautiful creatures created by God. Okay, the blessing all the creatures by the earth. Okay, for simple sheep and such are daffodils with the green world they live in. Okay, here the author is saying the flowers. Okay, the flower is with the green world they live in. Okay, the flowers are beautiful living in the earth. And a clear rill means clear stream. Okay, clear streams that for themselves a cooling convert makes. Okay, if you can see near the river, you can get cool breeze. Okay, if you see in the summer we get hot. Okay, the author is comparing these two. The mid forest rich with the sprinkling of the fair musk rose bloom. Okay, the falling. Okay, the small means the water is sprinkling in the flowers. Okay, rose flowers. Okay, if you see like this, means it will feel beautiful. Okay, that the flowers you can smell means you can get fragrance smell. Okay, these and all created by the earth. Okay, the author is saying these and all. Okay, now we see the meanings. Over, shelter under the shades of trees, wreathing, cover, surround, encircles, nothing, pearl, covering, rills, clear stream, sparkling, falling in the fine drops. Here they choose the correct answer. According to the poet, the things of beauty is dash, joy for ever. Beauty things never pass into the nothingness means that they never fade away. Will keep a bower quiet for us means will give a peace and calm. Okay, what is the meaning for will? They ask the meaning. We will keep a bower quiet for us. Like means they ask the meaning means will give us peace and calm. Okay, pause into the nothing. They will ask the meaning means you have to write never fade away. Of all the unhealthy means suffering. The sun, the moon, the trees, old and young are the things that remove the pearl of bloom from our lives. Okay, you have to choose the question answer. Okay, this is the memory poem. Please, all of you know to write this poem. Thank you, students. We will see the next class.